In this video, you will learn about writing bullet points to describe your work experience in your resume. When you describe your work experience or qualifications, use bullet points. Bullet points are easier to scan or quickly read through than paragraphs. How can you write effective bullet points? Well, let's look at some examples. Here, a job seeker writes about one of her jobs. Under the position, company name, and years worked, she lists her duties and responsibilities. Each duty or set of related duties is a separate bullet. Notice that she writes all the verbs in the past, and she doesn't use full sentences, just phrases like prepared monthly reports. Let's look at another example. This job seeker also uses bullets, but he writes the verbs in gerund form, not in the past. For example, keeping food preparation area clean and providing friendly and efficient customer service. In your bullet points, you can use either verb form, past or gerund, but make sure all the verbs are in the same form. This is called parallelism. Mixing various verb forms in one list is considered a grammar error. Here is an example. Researched and was responsible for technical procedures manuals. This can be improved by keeping the verb forms parallel. Here's another example. You can see that the third bullet is not parallel with the rest. Let's change it. Excellent customer service becomes provided excellent customer service.